In this video I'm going to show you how to delete PUBG Mobile account permanently. So first of all open PUBG, then click on arrow icon, which is below, and go to settings. Here is some options. Select account, and click on delete account. Do you wish to delete your account? Your account will be deleted in 7 days, once you choose to delete your account. Your account will be deleted in 7 days, and all data including game currency and purchases will be deleted forever. Click on exit. Deleting the account. Account successfully deleted. If you open this account before 7 days, you can reactivate this account, and you open after 7 days, you cannot reactivate this account, because your account will be permanently deleted. If this video will help you, leave a like on the video and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.